but Tompanai Empire have yet to crumble themselves. We're seeing basically an unstoppable force against an immovable object, and the force is winning right now. Tompanai Empire marching and expanding their borders. I hope that we get to see a little bit of a breakdown on his attack right into the core of the base, where we saw all the defending heroes. I think that was a very interesting strategy from him that didn't go perfectly according to plan, but paid off nonetheless.
Karlito with the Queen Charge Dragon Riders. He did use this yesterday in the single war, but he did not get the 3 stars. So he's looking to change that today, starting with the Yeti Blimp. Does clear out everything in that area, lures the clan castle so the Queen can easily deal with that. And this is a pretty good start for him.
Yeah, no real big threats to have to worry about yet. Sends in the Coconut Loon to check for any Seeking Air Mines, and does manage to catch one there right on the right side corner. Poison Spell is ticking away at some of the pups and will manage to get, no, doesn't kill them off, but Queen is looking healthy and has a little bit more time now to help finish off that right side corner. Now for these Dragon Rider attacks, the Queen charge in. Sometimes we'll try to get that Town Hall down. Sometimes we'll just focus instead on key defenses. Air defenses, multi-target Inferno, scatter shots, and Eagles are all really crucial targets to go after. I'm seeing that bottom and top corner as having a lot of juicy opportunities here, but the multi-target Infernos all concentrated on the left side of the map. How would you shape up your attack on this space, Judo?
Well, I think with the wall breaks, he's obviously taken the Queen to the Town Hall. He's still got another wall break and started funneling the north of the base. So he's aiming to get the King in towards the scatter shot. And I thought maybe he would wall break the King in, but it looks like he wants the King to just walk into that little compartment and save the wall break to maybe get the Queen to the center, which if he can do that, is totally next level, Woody. He's got to rage the Queen now because she's inside that very powerful poison of the Town Hall, and the ability has been used. He's got good value here though, and the Dragon Riders moving on in as the Headhunters take down the enemy Queen.
Karlito is popping off. Queen stays nice and healthy thanks to those raged healers and the use of her ability. Dragon Riders on task, finishing off their first multi-target Inferno, but ooh, soaking a Seeking Air Mine. One of them's going to go down there. Another Seeking Air Mine popping off, and it's going to be the Electro Owl who's soaking that one. But the last compartment with big defenses has been engaged. Another Dragon Rider goes down. The Grand Warden is pretty worse for wear. Could the Archer Queen be the savior of this strike? Is there enough cleanup at the end to get the triple?
Them very well might be. The Archer Queen needs to go to the multi to help the Dragon Riders out, and he just got a little bit unfortunate there. I feel the invisibility spell just misplaced on the Royal Champion. There's not a lot of minions, to be honest, and with the Queen stuck on that wall in the upper compartment, it is unfortunately not going to be enough for Karlito. It is so close, and yet it is so far away, because let's remember, Tompanai Empire did get the 3 stars, so after 2 attacks each, it is advantage to Tompanai Empire.